Hello, this is Mehmet from Core. This is ISE 2020. We are exhibiting our new touch panels, whole new series. We have two in-wall series and two out-wall series. They are pure aluminum. We are using a totally new chipset for our new touch panels. We support KNX natively, RS485 natively, and 232 natively as well. We have a customizable user interface. You can change background, the icons, the colors, everything. We have IoT integrations like Siri shortcuts, Amazon Alexa, and Google Home. IFTT is on the way as well. We have PoE, so you don't need additional power supply. We have two network interfaces, one for intercom and one for internet. We have available mobile applications, so you can control remotely your touch panels. Also, we have advanced SIP capabilities. That's basically all.